Okay. What's your name and your badge number?
Huh?
Wow. That door almost hit me.
No, it didn't.
Wow. What's your name and your badge number?
Car.
What's your name and your badge number?
Hey guys, welcome back. Here's a question nobody asks. If police have a policy to follow in order to do their job correctly and they don't follow their policy, then why should people follow laws? It's a simple question, folks. Now, I'm not saying that people shouldn't abide by the laws. What I'm saying is police officers should abide by their policies, but they don't do it. This video is another example of police officers not following their own policy. Many times they're not identifying upon request. And why is it important for a police officer to identify, folks? I'll give you one name, Jeremy DeWitt, a serial police impersonator. And there's many more like him. But this guy was on Dr. Phil. Anybody could buy a costume and dress up as a police officer. Check out this video from a newer channel called Private Independent Media Productions. Go subscribe to his channel. Let him know I sent you. This is what we do, folks. When I'm not out recording police, I'm helping other channels grow. Without further ado, here's your video.
This guy's yelling at me through the microphone. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? I'm sorry, what was that?
Are you videotaping me?
Yes.
Okay, sir, that dog needs to be on a leash.
10-4.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, that's it.
Well, you gotta yell at me through the speaker. You could have came out.
I was trying to discuss something with the officer here.
Oh, okay.
And it was a real light little let you know, okay?
Okay. What's your name and your badge number?
Huh?
Wow. That door almost hit me.
No, it didn't.
Wow. What's your name and your badge number?
Car.
What's your name and your badge number? Are you law enforcement?
Okay, sir.
Are you law enforcement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your name and your badge number? Identify yourself as per your policy. You got your body cam on?
Yeah.
Okay. Identify yourself, please. I'm a taxpayer.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Okay, so can you identify yourself?
Yeah.
What's your name and your badge number?
You got the badge right here, right?
Can I come close to you?
Not at this point.
Exactly. Can you identify yourself, please? What's your badge number?
Do you have ID on you?
Alright guys, this video here gives me a perfect opportunity to talk about what I want to say. A long time ago I proposed that police officers should have big numbers and their last names on their uniforms like jerseys. Jason Bassler at Police the Police actually liked what I had said that day and he created a meme for it. I mean, does it even make sense, folks, that they put their names and badge numbers in millimeter size but they don't even want you to get close enough to read it? Whoever thought of that either has to be the most stupidest person on earth or one of the most brilliant. Did he have the idea in mind that police would not be held accountable for their actions? If that's so, he was totally wrong because the people will not stand for it. What's happening is a lot of people just don't understand what's going on. That's why this channel is importante. Keep watching.
I sure do. Do you have ID on you?
I have ID on me.
Okay, give me your California ID.
Okay, sir. I'd ask you to go
Okay,
ahead.
you have not identified yourself, so you can't ask me nothing. Identify.
It's identifiable, okay?
Okay.
With what you got right here,
Okay.
and you can go ahead and take it from there.
Okay. That's it?
Just ask,
You don't want to be friendly to the
Yes, sir,
public?
I'm friendly.
You don't want to
I
bridge
just
the
ask you to
gap?
Please do me a
Don't you
favor.
want to, in this day and age, don't you want to bridge the gap between the community and the officers? Okay? Name and your badge number. Easy. Right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you for what? You haven't identified yourself. How am I going to follow your directives if you haven't
I'm
identified?
identifiable. You know who I am.
Okay. As per your policy, you need to verbalize.
Okay, I appreciate that.
You don't have a name badge on, so you're already breaking your own policy.
Thanks, sir.
There's no number there. See, you have no identification on you. Wait, this guy's telling me what to do. Oh, okay. You guys are closing, and plus you can't park here. You cannot park here. If I can't park here, you can't park here. You work for us. Yes or no?
Yes, come on, let's go.
You work for us.
I'm late.
Well, this guy's trying to tell me what to do. All right. Well, beside from that, don't park here again. Do you mind if I search your vehicle?
No, sir.
Are you sure? You look like you got something hiding down there. You mind if I pat you down?
Thank you, sir.
Are you sure? You got anything that you shouldn't have on you? You have anything in your pockets that are gonna poke me? No? You mind sitting over here? You're detained. Sit over here because you're detained now. Okay, see, it would have been better if you would have stepped out the car and just walked up to me and said, "Hello, sir, please put your dog on a leash." Instead of yelling through the microphone, parking where you're not supposed to be parked. This guy's the smartest guy here. He hasn't said a word.
There's a park ranger.
All right. We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Be cool. Have a good one. Peace. The whole thing. Next time, identify yourself. You don't have no identifying things on your shirt. 10-4? 10-4.
So if I had to rate the park ranger, I don't know, maybe a 5 for not identifying and not having identification properly placed where the public can see. But he did have a good attitude, and it's possible that he could have cited the man for having his dog off the leash. It didn't seem like he was interested in giving the man a ticket. So for that, he gets a 5er, a high 5, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, and definitely, if you're out there and you're doing this, you're recording police, try to walk a straight line, folks. You don't want to give them a reason to take you to jail because 9 times out of 10, 9.99 times out of 10, they will. Make sure you guys go subscribe to this channel. I'll drop the links in the description and the pinned comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. We bring you police interaction videos that we can all learn from. If you got videos that you want me to look at, maybe highlight on my channel, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Know your rights, study the Constitution, because those documents were written to limit the scope of authority that public officials have over you. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.